Hi, this video is to show you how to answer question number 3 from MATLAB tutorial 1A. The question is asking you to assume 2 points 1 and 2 in a plane xy and to assign values to the coordinates of these points and then to use the Pythagoras theorem to find the distance between the 2 points. You will need to do this using MATLAB by writing a code into M file and to run it from the command window. Let's first remember how to use Pythagoras theorem to determine the distance between the 2 points. If you look at this figure, there is a plane xy and 2 points 1 and 2 with coordinates x1, y1 4.1 and x2, y2 4.2. The distance between the 2 points is called d. This is what we need to find. From Pythagoras theorem, we know that d equal square root of delta x squared plus delta y squared. Delta x is the distance between the 2 points in one direction, which is x, and it is equal to x2 minus x1. And delta y is the distance between the 2 points in y direction, and it is equal to y2 minus y1. So now d will be equal to square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. I assumed values for the coordinates of the 2 points as shown here. However, you can use any other values. Now, how can we write a code in MATLAB to solve this equation? This is MATLAB, and we have here in the middle the command window, and to the left we have the current folder or current directory, and to the right we have the workspace. To write a code and to create a program, we have to use the editor by opening a new script from the top left corner there. This is the new script or the M file. We can save it and change its name using save as. I will name it Q3 underscore 1A. So question 3 tutorial 1A. So it has been saved to the current folder. Now we need to write the code. The first thing is to assign the values to the inputs that will be used in the equation of the distance. We have 4 inputs, x1, y1, x2, and y2. And I will use the values that I have assumed. So x1 equal 1, x2 equal 3, y1 equal 1, and y2 equal 4. The next step is to write the equation of the distance d. For this, we have to find a function that can be used to calculate the square root. To do this, we can go to the command window and type help lfrun and press enter. Then a number of functions will be displayed in the command window. These are the math function in MATLAB, and we can find the one that can be used for square root, here it is. So we can use sqrt. If you click on this function, you can get some information about the function and how to use it. The other way for finding a function in MATLAB is to use the help. If you go to the top right corner, we have a search tool here where we can find, for example, square root. So here are some search results. The first option here, or the first result, is our function, the square root sqrt. Now we can write the equation. So d equal sqrt square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Remember to save. To run this program, we can just type its name in the command window. But first, I will clean the command window by typing clc, press enter. So the command window is clean. And now we can type the name of the M file and press enter. So you can see that all the program lines are displayed in the command window, and also they are all available in the workspace. To prevent them from being displayed in the command window, you can use the semicolon at the end of each line. So if I clean the command window, and also I will clear the workspace. So it's now clear, and type the name again. So nothing being displayed in the command window, but all variables and the results D are available in the workspace. You can choose to remove the semicolon from the line of the equation D, and you can see the results in the command window. So it depends on what you want to see. The other way of running this code or program is to use the tool of run, this one. So now the code has been run. Please note that to run this code or program, it should be saved in the current folder. So if I change the folder now and try to run the code again, it's asking me to change the folder. If I cancel this and try to run it from the command window by typing its name, it will give me an error. So I have to open the folder where this code is saved and try again. Now it's working. So this was the answer of question number 3 from MATLAB tutorial 1A. Thank you.